Welcome to the Character Equation Reset Meeting for the 7th character equation. Hope plus knowledge equals discernment. We want you to remember to keep going. You're closer than you think. Hi, friends. I want to talk with you about something important. Sometimes we work really hard toward a goal, and we don't quite reach it yet. That doesn't mean we failed. It means we're still learning and growing. And learning and growing is what strong people do. You see, you are an important part of our human family as we learn and grow in our ability to help ourselves and each other. You are part of this story. Our celebrations at Town Hall are all about celebrating each other for all the helpfulness we've accomplished each month. And you are absolutely capable of reaching the next celebration. Let's talk about how. This year, we've been learning that character is not just something you either have or don't have, it's something you practice. We've learned that helpfulness plus organization equals optimal learning environments. We've learned that care plus safety equals stability, that joy plus focus equals great energy for learning, that patience plus keen senses equals practiced perception, kindness plus understanding equals responsibility, goodness plus skills equals ability, hope plus knowledge equals discernment. And that's the one we've been working on the last month or so. We're going to be learning about gentleness plus respect and how that equals friendship, and also how self-control plus purpose equals resilience. These are character skills, and skills grow with practice. You will have another chance to earn the badges and the cards that go with the next 2 character equations. Some of you are here because you have been making unsafe or harmful choices for yourself or others. Hurting others, especially when it feels powerful or funny, damages trust and freedom. It prevents learning, and it's unhealthy for the well-being of others. Discernment means asking, is this building my future or breaking it? Is it protecting others or harming them? Is this choice building hope for myself and others for truth, knowledge, and being healthy, or not so much? You're responsible for your behavior, and that is serious. Harming someone's body, feelings, or preventing them from learning or making lasting friendships is not okay. But your choices are not who you are. You can be responsible for your actions, and only you are capable of choosing differently. Discernment means pausing before you act, thinking about the impact, choosing safety instead of power, choosing respect instead of control. Strong people control themselves. Wise people protect others. The next choice you make matters. This is why we celebrate health, liberty, and happiness. Our town halls celebrate 3 big things. Health, that means taking care of your body and your mind. Liberty means making choices that protect your freedom. And happiness is building friendships and feeling proud of yourself. The percentage goal isn't about being perfect. It's about practicing these skills consistently. If you didn't make it this time, that just means there's a few skills still getting stronger, and that is okay. You can think about how every decision you make rolls back and forth in your heart and mind. On one side is hope. Think, what do I want to happen? On the other side is knowledge. What do I know is right, safe, and kind? Discernment happens when you pause and let your marble roll. Instead of reacting quickly, you stop, you breathe, you think. That pause is powerful. it changes outcomes. That means it can make your day go better. 3 tools to help you make it to the next town hall celebration. Here are 3 tools you can start using today. Number 1, the 3-second pause. Before you react, stop. Take 1 slow breath. Ask yourself, what will happen next if I choose this? 3 seconds can change your whole day. Let's take a deep 3-second breath together. Are you ready? Now let it out. Number 2, ask 3 questions when you're unsure. Quietly ask, is this choice healthy? Is this choice safe and kind for myself and others? Is this choice helping me and others build life skills? If the answer is no, let the marble roll again and choose differently. Number 3, the reset strategy. Everyone makes mistakes. Strong people reset fast. If you mess up, own it. Apologize. Try again immediately. One mistake does not define you, but how you respond does. I know you might feel disappointed today, but you're closer than you think. The next town hall isn't closed to you. It's waiting for you. Your next decision could be the one that changes everything. Every healthy choice, every safe and kind word, every focused, purposeful moment. Every time you reset instead of giving up, you're building your character, and character grows quietly, one choice at a time. You see, we are on your team. Your teachers are on your team. Your future self is cheering for you. Hope says something good is possible. Knowledge shows you how. Discernment helps you choose it. Keep going. You're closer than you think. We can't wait to celebrate with you at the next town hall. Let's see what we remember about our 7th character equation. Who remembers what the 2 character traits are that make discernment? What was the first character trait? Remember to pause the video if you need time to think. Yes, hope. What is the next character trait? Yes, knowledge. These 2 character traits together make discernment. Now, we want to hear from you. Can you think of a time when you've been focusing on this character equation and you've learned, loved, or even led by using this equation of hope plus knowledge equals discernment? Pretend like you're calling to tell me about it. Then raise your hand if you want to share with everyone in the group. Remember to pause the video so you can have time to share your thoughts. It is so important to keep working hard to help make our school a better place for you and all your friends and teachers by using these 3 character traits. Making hopeful choices and using knowledge you've gained means you are building excellent discernment wherever you are. This is something you can use your whole life. This choice makes for a brighter future for you and all those you care about. This is a great time to go back and watch the video about the Border Collie and the lesson video on hope plus knowledge equals discernment. Keep making helpful choices, and I'll see you at the next town hall. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all 3 to be healthy, happy, and free.
Until next time, keep making choices.